Garmin Dashcam Mini 2, also known as the best budget dashcam on the market in 2023. If you want the smallest and most discreet camera on the market, Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is for you. Barely the size of a key fob, this model offers features like a touchscreen in favor of being so small that it hides neatly behind your car's rearview mirror. Despite its compact size, the Dashcam Mini 2 records in full HD resolution at 30 frames per second through a 140-degree lens. This puts it slightly behind other larger members of the Garmin Dashcam family, which record at 1440p through wider 180-degree lenses. 1080p is still good enough for dashcam, especially one that's so compact and competitively priced. Sticking with the design for now, the Dashcam Mini 2 is extremely compact. The front contains nothing more than a lens and a ball joint that connects to a short arm. In terms of storage, Garmin doesn't include a memory card in the box, so you'll need to provide your own. It must be at least 8 GB, and the camera supports cards up to 512 GB. There are only 2 buttons on the Dashcam Mini 2. On the one side turns the audio recording on and off, while the button on the back saves the most recent part of the recording. The video quality is very good considering its price and size. It shoots 1080p Full HD and HDR and shoots at 30 FPS through a 140-degree lens. Details like road signs and vehicle license plates are clear, and images remain sharp in changing lighting and weather conditions. Audio recording is possible and can be turned on and off using a button on the back of the dashcam. Garmin's smartphone app is called Drive. It's free to download for iOS and Android and is used to configure the camera. For the listed price, you can't beat this one.